Hello everyone, this is Susan Gerbic. I'm going to do some backwards editing today, and I'm going to be using a graph, and I thought that might be a really interesting thing to show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this announcement from the Center for Inquiry that just announced that there's a new Point of Inquiry team, which is a podcast that Guerrilla Skepticism on Wikipedia rewrote a year ago, possibly. So we're going to update this Wikipedia page. And just because I have been trying to speed things up a little bit, I have already reread the page, and I have a little bit of a few things that we're going to change, and I've already, written it down, so it'll just speed things up. One of the things we're going to change is we're going to change Point of Inquiry was to Point of Inquiry is the radio show and flagship podcast of Center for Inquiry. Also down here, there's three basic paragraphs, 1, 2, and 3. The third one is going to be put in the middle because it's 2012, and this middle paragraph is 2013. So I'm just going to move the paragraphs a little bit. And then I'm going to put an announcement down here underneath, which would be paragraph 4. Also, we're going to update this area right here where it has staff. We're going to put the new podcasters on here and the new producer right here. And then the other thing we're going to do, this is the other thing we're going to do. In Wikipedia, we really don't want to use things like words that are, how do I want to say, peacock words, I believe is what they call them. And right here we've got a peacock word where we've got popular bloggers such as Rebecca Watson reported that Mooney blah, blah, blah. Well, popular is one of those words unless we have a citation. How do we know she's popular or popular bloggers? So we're going to take out the word popular because that's relative. Popular in the world of bloggers, popular in just skepticism, popular in science. So it's easier just to take that word out. Another thing we're going to take out is down here. It has Dr. Francis Collins, and we have no reason to put doctor in front of that unless we're trying to make a statement that this person has got a PhD and they're better than you or whatever. So, and besides, most of these other people have doctorates as well, and we're not going to do that. This is something Wikipedia doesn't do, is we don't try to put doctor in front of something unless we're trying to, make it look better or something like that. So I'm going to change a few things. Okay, here we go. So put your seatbelts on. All right. First thing we're going to change is we're going to go up here and we're going to change this from was to is. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to take the word popular out. We are going to move this paragraph to the middle. I'm going to put a couple spaces there so I can see what I'm doing. Paste. I'm going to come down here and take out the word doctor. And it's here somewhere. Let's keep paging and I'll find it. This is kind of scary looking, I'm sure, so don't panic. I'm going to show you how to do this right now. Okay. Take out the word doctor. If you go on Francis Collins' page, I'm sure you will find that that person has a doctorate, and that's all very interesting. Okay, here's one of the sections we wanted to update. Now, don't get yourself all confused. When you're going to be working on one of these kinds of pages that has a graph, make sure you have a very clear head, because if you misplace even a dash, you're going to have a mess, and it's going to frustrate you for hours. So make sure you have a very clear head when you're doing this. And I'm going to page down. I'm going to put a bar space. I'm going to write Joshua. Oh, wait. I'm going to put a bar space, and then I'm going to put another bar, Joshua. J-O-S-H. Like I said, you want to have a nice clear head when you're doing this. Not what I'm doing where I'm trying to type and think and make a video. Okay, so that should fix it. Now just all I'm doing is following the pattern that was already created for me. And if you want to make a nice graph on somebody's page, the easiest way to do it is go to a page that you really like, copy that, bring it over to the page that you want to use, and just paste it in and just change the things on it. So that's the easiest way to go about doing it. Okay, so I'm going to space again. I'm going to make another bar dash, another bar, and then I'm going to put in here Lindsay Beierstein. Now this one doesn't have the little graphs, the little brackets on it because Lindsay Beierstein does not have a Wikipedia page, and I already know that because I created her father's. So I'm going to put on here 2013 to present, and then I'm going to go down here and put here that she is a investigative VESTIGATIVE journalist. That's what I thought I'd put. Then I'm going to put another bar, another dash, another bar, and then this is where I'm going to put the word Josh, ZEPPS, another bar, and I'm going to put 2013. Oops, I missed the bar. 2013 to present. And I'm going to put another bar, and I'm going to put down here he is a journalist. Okay. The other thing I want to do is I'm going to put that little I have over on a document here that I've already written out just because I need to speed this up for video's sake. I've already written down what I want to write here. Paste. I want to take and put two little of these right here so that it appears in italics. I also have to cite this, and here's the citation right here. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go over under here, cite web, because it's a web. I'm going to put the URL right there. The publisher is Center for INQUIRY. To access date is 10/17/2013. And the title of the article is right here. I'm going to highlight it and paste it in. Insert. Let's go down here and do a added new hosts. Show preview, because we always do that, right? Let's see how we did. All right, it is the radio show. That's correct. Here's the 2012 that we moved to the middle. We took out the word popular. We added the new team for point of inquiry, Lindsay, Josh, okay, and you see there's your citation number 9. That looks correct. And just like, you know, normal, if I've spelled something wrong or something like that, somebody could easily come in here and fix this for me. And citation 9 looks like it's pretty good. Yep, that looks fine. The only thing that needs to be done now is that this logo is out of date. So I need to have Center for Inquiry upload a new logo, and let's get that put into place. And then this page looks like it's ready to rock and roll. And I'm just going to come all the way down here to the very end, save page, and we be done. Good job, everybody. Thanks.